Waroli renga ki. Ese chukuru chonzi bichiko sambo. Kwa lenga private school te onana yamo ya Zambiro.
Of course.
No ene yamo private school te onana yamo ya Zambiro. Aseki. Asenge nje private school abayiboli ba waka na jibesa. Capitation ndio kule ministry education. No moyiboli ga tebi mwana wa yebuna tatale on deka ngo ande school nga. Ayembora moyiboli school kisi school mambi. To wanega. Ozo kora kende yonzi kiragere mwalimu aho tumoje kongoi. Ochine sanduku ya ne bintu bya gera ntimba azanga da kamere bine school. Ochega iko burugera abantu abeja enka ukamere na abantu bandi choma buno muliko kere ine ero anyale. A private school because abayiboli ba wakana eba take greater responsibilities abana babo. Lakini public school asenga nje capitation and so on na mangana free education abayiboli abange ba they have just walked away from their responsibilities. Abana bono ndolko ba I talk to school principals all the time. Let me give you an example because I know we are completing. Yes. One school principal told me she runs a national girls school. She told me that every holiday between 20 and 30 at the end of the school rakorageli. But aliko ina konya rakwenda sobo. Asenge enjo yo bokongo hakale sobo. Mwana yomo nginoji osoke ro montonde. Na ndo chake ko muita nga montoli asokere den ko mwadi mayale. Bono mwana na chekina nga delta ya school bako nanga ajina ko ituna ngina. O mwana onde ngina akale ko senga yagara mwana onde isea ko itangina munekon. Mwana ora tiambere school. Emejando to bugate to abere to kweba chatali ko kwana is parenting. Mejando ya Kenya ga boni ga tali abana to bugate is parenting. Parenting is the problem. Na na tanga school chikanza chizo Jones emezikiti to bugate na to NCP to chago deal na mangana ya parenting. To izi abana ba ito kera nyasaye ga to eta abana to bakini. Ndozo kutikera abana kana bali muto kutikera abana and so on. It doesn't work. Na ko tebiga Kevin in David school ya private ya Zambiro. One private school. Aseki. Because they pay fees and because of that parents are forced to pay attention to their kids. But you see
nakubatevinga mo kolege.
Nakubatevinga mo kolege kiara mama yenga any private school. Koji go samba mambino okubwatwa wakane tibeza. Lakini public school yero twanga to sangere tibeza 50 million 100 million twaja kwa gaje school. And then abana bemo kamambi for a small excuse ngabangere korre TV. Basambe school. And you see Bible limolo ja mamba tebinga okay. Ne wasambe the school wona aye korra tole. Lakini akorete na tindire de tina lenge education ninga. Anyimo kusamba school azinyi mutata itia matemu. Omotenze no okorera matemu. Matemu buikokore. Tolo jugwe bacha. Enji wasambe school eye sambire ebwa de libu. No okorera matemu. Pako muntu oje buronge obubalimo buwo bosire. You see we have to be serious. Otherwise you know tunako nge nje kabiri ndolo konya bana baitu. We are just raising abana batanya ali we konya. Noja ko batigere nibo, noja ko batigere bintu byonse ko ba mbako nyara ko birenda. Eboliga, and that's my last parting word with you. How is it that private school teyo ya Sambiru